What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another session of Deep Coding. In this session, we're going to talk about most popular video creator. You're given three arrays. Two of them are creators and IDs, which are in a string, and one of them is the number of views corresponding to each of the video IDs that creator created. So this question is asking you the find the person with highest popularity, and popularity is defined by the summation of number of all the views over all the videos created. And if there are multiple of them, just return multiple answer, and also return the video or the content that has highest view count for a creator. So going through this problem, as I'm thinking, we need two unordered maps or hash maps. In C++, we call it unordered map. One hash map is key value where keys are creator names or creator strings. Then the value is the total number of views. In that case, having this map help us to find out the most popular creators. And we need another map for each of the creators. I mean, we're going to have a map that key is the creator, and the value is a pair of integer and a string. I use integer and a string, a pair of integer and a string, because the first element in pair integer would show us the number of views, and the string in the second element of the pair would show us the name of the or ID of the video. So for each creator, I'm going to save the most viewed video. And in the end, if that creator is the most popular one, then I return that video ID. Let's write the code for it, and in during the implementation, I explain more. So at the beginning, I start with creating an unordered map or hash map in any language that you're using, having a string and long long. The reason I'm using long long is instead of integer is that the summation of the views would be large because the range of the views would be 10 to the power of 5, and then let's say we have lots of views, and n is 10 to the power of 5. So we can it's safer to save it into long long. Let's say creator views. Again, the first element, the first chunk shows my keys are creators, and the second part shows the values are the views. Um, and also, I need another unordered map string and a pair of long long, which shows the view, and also string, which shows the ID of the ID of the video. So let's call it creator most viewed ID. That's how it's saved. I would also like to optimize my code while I'm going through the creator and the number of views and add it to my map, creator views map. I would like to keep track of the most viewed person. So I create a long most views, and then at the beginning I initialize it to 0, and as I'm going through the views I add it up. Let me show you what I mean, because they all the vectors of the same size, so I just use one of them. First, take the creator name, string C creators I, just to be more understandable. And then ID would be IDs I, and also int view, let's call it V, views I. So what I'm doing here, first thing I would like to do is to count the number of views for each creator. So creator views, that's the map, C plus equal V. So for creator C that I'm looking at, I add this number of views because that's the video they created, and that's the number of views they gained for this specific video. And then I would like to say the most views so far would be maximum of most views that I have found so far, and this creator views C. Next thing is Looking at this creator and look at all the videos they have created, I would like to keep track of the most viewed ones. So first thing I would like to check, because as we talked at the beginning, we're going to save this information in this map, creator most viewed ID. So first thing I would like to check is that if I have seen any video from this creator before or not. If so, then I compare the count of views. If not, then I just add it. So what I do is creator most viewed ID dot count. See if I have seen this creator before. Let me actually, it's better to say if I have not seen this creator before, then I would say creator most viewed ID of C would be this pair. The pair would be this video that I'm looking at and the number of views that this has. So V and ID. Else, if I have seen this video, if the creator before and has some video inside it, the first thing I would like to check is that if the video that I'm looking at right now, the ID that I'm looking at right now has higher view than the previously viewed, previously checked video. So if V is greater than creator most viewed ID C dot first, if it's greater than, then I would swap it. C would be V and ID. There is another check if V is exactly equal to most viewed ID. In that case, I need to check something. I need to check if the ID of the video is the lexicographically smallest one saved. So what I do is that creator most viewed ID C, and then this video would be that second would be minimum of ID and exact same thing. So I would like to check if the ID I'm looking at is smaller than this one, then keep the smallest one. The smallest one, I mean lexicographically small. Now I have all the information I need. So what I need to do is that let me create this result vector string that I'm going to save most popular person and the most popular video they have. Let's say result. So I just iterate through each of the elements in the creator view. Actually, I would like to say element in creator view. If the number of count, because so creator view has creator and the number of views corresponding to this creator. If the number of views for this corresponding creator is the maximum that I have found so far, then that person is the popular person, and I would like to print out the most viewed video of that person. So if element the second, because as you can see, the second element in this map shows the number of views. If element the second is equal to most views that I have count so far, then I would like to check what is the most viewed video ID of this person. So what I need to do is I just like to say C is equal to element dot first. That's the name of the person. Then I would like to look at the creator most viewed ID of this C. And then let me actually save it as string ID. And then I add it to the rest.push back. What I need to do, the order that they're asking at is the person or the creator and the ID of the video. So I just say C and ID. When I'm done, I return my rest. Let's test it. Uh-oh, okay, I have a typo. Creator views. To be consistent. Oh, I forgot to do something here. I need to take the second element because the second element of each of these map values is the ID. I forgot to add the second. Okay, so it shows Bob2 and Alex1, Alex1, Bob2 because it says the answer can be returned in any order, so we can get accepted. Let's run on all the elements, all the test cases that we have, and let's submit it. Accepted. Okay, that was my solution, C++ solution to this problem. Hope you liked it and learned something new from it. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the future videos. Thank you so much.